Hi, and in this video we'll see how to create your own file system based on some bookmarks. So here I'm using OnCommander Pro file manager that you can download at this URL oncommander.com for Windows, macOS, and also for Linux. Okay, so in this part of the tutorial we'll go with the Bookmark File System. So basically what you need to do is to create a text file which ends with the .bookmarks extension. So I'm gonna do this, and then we can copy some files that is basically gonna add some bookmarks. So let's go first here, and let's wait a second. Let me copy first maybe the name of the file that I want to put. So 26, yeah, so I don't have to type it. What happened here? And now let's say bookmark, create a new bookmark file. This is the name of the file that we want to have. And oh yeah, so now I'm already in the bookmark file, as you can see. In the bookmark file, and there are no bookmarks. So in this case we want to add some bookmarks, and the way you add some bookmarks in this case is basically, so you see here is a file. At the moment it's just empty, and basically this is to copy some other files. So in this case we're going to copy two files in there, and actually it's not copying the content of the file, it's just adding the file to the bookmark. So now we have, if I refresh even this one, you can see that the bookmark file also is now with some content. So I can even copy a directory. So let's go there and let's copy this directory. Yes, that would be this one. And basically what it does, it just does not copy any content of the directory, just make like a link to the directory in the bookmarks. So let's see what's in these bookmark files now that we've added some files. Here we go, and let's do in a new panel, text editor in a new window. So now you see we have a text file in this case that contains 3 bookmarks, file 1, file 2, and directory. And when we're here, basically we just see them as files, and we can even open them because they are linked to the real file. So you see I can even see the content in there. Basically it's just like a link. Let me see. So we've seen that it's added. We can do a quick view. So that's what I've done. You can also rename them. So for example, in this case I know that I'm in the specifics, so I can rename it to file 2. And now it's file 2, but actually it's linking to this other file, so I can still open it, and it will go to the correct file in this case, and this way you can organize your bookmark. And when I delete the file, so if I delete the file in this case, yes, delete the file, where the original file, I can even refresh, it's not deleted. Basically what I've just done in this case is I've deleted the bookmark. So if I open it again, text editor, you see I've deleted one of the bookmarks. And if I click, for example, in the directory, as it's a link, it will go from the bookmark file system that I'm actually to the real directory. So now let me now you see I'm in the normal directory. I'm no longer inside the bookmark file system. Like here, you see I was in the bookmark file system. Okay, if you have any questions, just put them in the comment, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share if you like this video, and see you in the next video. Bye!